Happiness, love, money, status, you can have them all. You just have to believe, feel, and act like they are already yours, and they will come to you in no time. For some people, this probably sounds like the most stupid thing they ever heard, and it's totally understandable. What I've just said not only works, but it's one of the most powerful laws that govern our universe, a law that if you understand how to use, will give you everything you can dream of. That law is the law of attraction. We are not here today to talk about witchcraft, so let's talk about the real practical side of this law. Because I am sure some of you already tried the feeling, believing, and act like you already have its stuff, and you manage to attract more frustration instead of happiness and fulfillment. When does the law of attraction work, and when does it not? If I look at my life, I can honestly say it works for every minute that I live, but not how we want it to. Everything I have until now, the good, the bad, I attracted by my own beliefs, thoughts, and feelings. On a subconscious level, humans have the tendency to act in congruency with what they perceive about themselves and the world around them. Once we form an identity of ourselves, all our conscious and subconscious actions go towards validating what we already feel and believe, which then manifests in what we attract. If deep down I think I am a crappy person who doesn't deserve better, guess what I invite the law to deliver in my life? For sure, it's not more happiness, fulfillment, love, and wealth. You can't be boiling of negativity towards yourself and the world around you and expect wonderful things to pop at your door. You can cheat people, but you can't cheat the universe. I am sure you have met people by now who are so damn negative and resentful that all they do is mourn and blame the unfairness of life and how nothing can be done to change that. I used to have a colleague, the most toxic person I've met in my life. God bless her soul, if she still has one. She was so negative, even when she was describing things that were nice. She was using negative words and expressions. We were talking about different cuisines and recipes at one point, and I actually heard her say this. That food tastes awfully good. You feel like you want to beat your children when you taste it. Now, don't ask me what that means or why would you beat your own son after you eat a fine dish, because after I wrote this, I couldn't help myself not to slap my head, and my eyes started blinking like I was a malfunctioning robot. Jesus Christ. Imagine the thoughts, feelings, and beliefs that kind of person would have, and what she will attract in her life as a result. I'm sure you are not surprised if I tell you she barely had any friends, no one liked being around her in the office, and she was going to therapy for several years without making any progress. The greatest therapist in the world can't fix you if you don't participate in your rescue. But how do I make the law of attraction work for me, not against me? Well, the answer comes from understanding what act like you already have it means. This is where most of the videos on the topic will confuse you instead of helping you. Acting doesn't mean you will play a role so that you may win an Oscar or fake it till you make it. Acting means to build the habits, routines, skills that will help you attract what you want. It means paying attention to what you feed your mind with and wash away any feelings, thoughts, beliefs which are against what you want to come in your life. Emotion is created by motion. So how are you supposed to think, believe, and feel that you will attract what you dream of if you don't focus on taking the actions which will make your dreams a reality? If you ignore this part, you are not using the law of attraction, but the law of delusion. Let's be clear, nothing comes to you if you don't act towards getting it, be it positive or negative. Period. It's useful to sit down and visualize what you want like it's already yours, to involve all your internal and external senses in the process. This is what think, feel and believe you already have it truly means. But it's not enough for the law to work in your favor. You don't attract what you wish, you attract what you move towards. You can recite the most empowering affirmations and watch all the motivational videos in the world every single day. Nothing will come to you if you don't take action. Our reality is a reflection of what we truly believe deep inside it should be and deserve. Anyone telling you different is either crazy or trying to scam you. That's why the law doesn't work the way you want it to. Think about this for a moment. How do you attract and create a great, loving relationship with your lover? Is it by thinking, believing, feeling that you have it? Or by doing the things that will make you both happy and fulfilled? Is it by thinking to send her flowers at work, thinking to date her even though you are together for so many years, thinking to surprise her here and there with a small token of love, that you will make her happy to be with you, or by actually doing those things? Each area of your life will demand different habits, different routines, different levels of commitment, and of course, self-awareness. This is what we don't want to hear, and it's sad to say it, but it's true. We want things easy, we want shortcuts, and we want things to happen yesterday. It's human nature. But I invite you to be honest with yourself. If you get it easy, how much and how long do you enjoy it? I hope it's clear to you that to use the law of attraction in your favor, it's not enough to use your imagination. You need to take action. Otherwise, you're going to keep getting frustrated and angry with what the universe will deliver at your door. Thank you for watching, but don't stop here. Take action so the law of attraction can work in your favor. Until next time, stay blessed and go fit.